Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the top 20 hacking tools you must know in 2024. Whether you're an ethical hacker, a cybersecurity enthusiast, or just curious about the latest tools in the industry, this video is for you. Let's get started. First up, we have Nmap. Nmap, short for Network Mapper, is an open-source tool for network discovery and security auditing. It's widely used to scan large networks and perform network inventory, manage service upgrade schedules, and monitor host or service uptime. With its scripting engine, you can automate a wide variety of networking tasks. For example, you can write custom scripts to detect specific vulnerabilities, check for misconfigurations, or even perform complex scan sequences. Nmap is not just limited to simple ping sweeps or port scans. It can also identify services and versions, operating systems, and even the presence of certain firewalls. Next, we have the Metasploit framework. This is a powerful tool used for developing and executing exploit code against a remote target machine. It's essential for penetration testing and is known for its extensive database of exploits. Metasploit allows you to simulate real-world attacks to find vulnerabilities in your systems before malicious hackers do. It supports a wide range of payloads, which can be delivered via various methods, including network exploits, social engineering, and more. Metasploit also includes MeterPreter, an advanced payload that allows for powerful post-exploitation capabilities such as privilege escalation, network pivoting, and data exfiltration. Wireshark is another must-know tool. It's a network protocol analyzer that allows you to capture and interactively browse the traffic running on a computer network. It's like having X-ray vision for your network. Wireshark can be used to troubleshoot network problems, analyze security incidents, and learn more about network protocols. It supports hundreds of protocols and media types and provides a powerful filtering system to isolate specific traffic patterns. You can even use Wireshark to reconstruct TCP streams to see entire conversations. Whether you're troubleshooting network problems or analyzing security incidents, Wireshark is invaluable. Burp Suite is an integrated platform for performing security testing on web applications. Its various tools work seamlessly together to support the entire testing process, from initial mapping and analysis of an application's attack surface to finding and exploiting security vulnerabilities. Burp Suite includes features like an intercepting proxy, scanner, intruder, repeater, and more. The intercepting proxy allows you to capture and modify traffic between your browser and the target application, making it easier to find and exploit vulnerabilities such as XSS and SQL injection. The scanner can automatically find vulnerabilities, while the intruder allows for automated and customized attacks. John the Ripper is a powerful password cracker, currently available for many flavors of Unix, Windows, DOS, BOS, and OpenVMS. It's a go-to tool for recovering weak passwords. John the Ripper supports various Crypt3 password hash types commonly found on Unix systems, as well as Windows LM hashes. It can perform brute force attacks, dictionary attacks, and even more advanced techniques like rainbow tables. By leveraging word lists and custom rules, you can increase the effectiveness of your password cracking attempts. Hydra is another powerful tool, especially when it comes to brute force attacks. It's capable of performing rapid dictionary attacks against more than 50 protocols, including Telnet, FTP, HTTP, HTTPS, SMB, and many others. Hydra's strength lies in its ability to perform parallel attacks on multiple services, significantly reducing the time required to crack passwords. You can customize your attacks with various options, such as defining a specific username or password list, and even specifying the number of threads to use. AirCrack NG is a complete suite of tools to assess Wi-Fi network security. It focuses on different areas of Wi-Fi security, including monitoring, attacking, testing, and cracking. AirCrack NG can capture and analyze packets to extract information, crack WEP and WPA PSK keys, and even perform de-authentication attacks to capture handshakes. It's a vital tool for anyone interested in wireless security. SQLmap is an open-source penetration testing tool that automates the process of detecting and exploiting SQL injection flaws. It comes with a powerful detection engine and many features for exploiting SQL injection vulnerabilities. SQLmap can fingerprint, retrieve a DBMS banner, enumerate users, passwords, roles, and more. It can also execute arbitrary SQL statements, retrieve files, and even establish an out-of-band connection to the database. Nikto is a web server scanner that tests for many dangerous files, outdated server software, and other issues. It's an essential tool for web security testing. Nikto can identify over 6,700 potentially dangerous files and programs, check for outdated versions of over 1,250 servers, and detect server configuration issues. It's simple to use and provides a comprehensive report of its findings. Snort is an open-source intrusion detection system that can perform real-time traffic analysis and packet logging on IP networks. It's highly flexible and can detect a wide range of attacks and probes, including buffer overflows, stealth port scans, CGI attacks, SMB probes, and more. Snort can be configured as an IDS or an intrusion prevention system, providing real-time alerts and responses to detected threats. Maltego is an open-source intelligence and forensics application that offers data mining and link analysis capabilities. It helps you gather information and visualize complex relationships among pieces of information. This is particularly useful in cyber investigations to uncover links between individuals, organizations, and online entities. Maltego provides a graphical interface that can display these relationships in an easy-to-understand format. Autopsy is a digital forensics platform and graphic interface for the Sleuth Kit. It is used by law enforcement, the military, and corporate examiners to investigate what happened on a computer. It can recover files from unallocated space, analyze registry entries, and even create timeline analyses. Autopsy is a powerful tool for incident response and forensic investigation. Nessus is a widely used vulnerability scanner. It helps you identify vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, and security holes in your network. Nessus can scan for over 50,000 vulnerabilities and configuration issues across a variety of operating systems, applications, and devices. It's essential for vulnerability assessment and compliance auditing. Cuckoo Sandbox is an open-source automated malware analysis system. It can analyze suspicious files, URLs, and behaviors in an isolated environment, providing detailed reports on what the malware does on the system. This is crucial for understanding new malware and developing mitigation strategies. EtherCap is a comprehensive suite for man-in-the-middle attacks on LAN. It can sniff live connections, filter content on the fly, and perform many other network security tasks. EtherCap supports active and passive dissection of many protocols, as well as features for network and host analysis. The Social Engineer Toolkit is an open-source Python-driven tool for social engineering penetration testing. SET leverages various attack vectors like phishing, website cloning, and USB infection to simulate real-world social engineering attacks. It's highly effective for testing your organization's defense against social engineering. Kismet is a wireless network detector, sniffer, and intrusion detection system. It can detect networks based on 802.11a, 802.11b, 802.11g, and 802.11n, capture data packets, and even reveal hidden networks. Kismet is valuable for wireless network security assessments and penetration tests. OWASP Zap is an integrated penetration testing tool for finding vulnerabilities in web applications. It's designed to be used by people with a wide range of security experience, and as such, is ideal for developers and functional testers who are new to penetration testing. It can help you automatically find security vulnerabilities in your web applications as you develop and test them. Hashcat is the world's fastest password recovery tool. It is designed to break even the most complex passwords, leveraging the power of GPUs to perform brute force and dictionary attacks. Hashcat supports numerous hashing algorithms and is highly customizable, making it a preferred tool for password cracking. Finally, we have OpenVAS, a full-featured vulnerability scanner. It is used to perform authenticated and unauthenticated testing and large-scale scans, and supports a variety of high-level and low-level internet and industrial protocols. OpenVAS is highly capable of vulnerability assessment and network security audits. These are the top 20 hacking tools you must know in 2024. Each of these tools plays a critical role in cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Remember, these tools should be used responsibly and only for legal purposes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more cybersecurity content. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.